Hey, how's it going? Dr. Hanson in High Point Dental. I wanted to make you guys a quick little video. I did a little bit of research. I saw you got a chance to check out the dental marketing playbook. I wanted to do a little custom analysis for you guys since I know you guys need a little bit of help on the internet. I'm even going to give you a couple tips here at the end on some things you guys can do without my help for free that are definitely going to improve your likelihood of bringing in patients from online. Okay, so if we look at your guys' website, I just wanted to give you a couple good tips here. One of them is make this number clickable and easier to read right here. You know what I mean? People are going to have to turn their head sideways. I see you have it down here. But normally, websites that have a optimized phone number right here that you can click on increase your rate of patients calling you dramatically. You know what I mean? Because most people are searching on mobile, they have their phone out. If it's right at the top, easy to click, you're going to get a lot more calls from that. Okay, I'll share a couple more tips on your website then. This is really the big player in the market right here. Smiles, COS, and these guys are really doing a lot of damage right now and taking up a lot of the market. And honestly, their website's not even that much better than your guys's, which really is the remarkable thing. Like this website's not even that great, but these guys are really doing a lot of work. If we go over here to this tool we use called SpyFu, we can see that they're getting 701 SEO clicks a month, and they're investing almost $8,000 into AdWords monthly, which is bringing them another thousand. So these guys are bringing in 1,700 clicks monthly into their website. Okay, if we compare that to what you guys are doing, obviously you know you're not spending any money on AdWords right now. You're only getting about 42 clicks monthly off of your SEO, which is not terrible. But what I did, I went and did a little more research on that. And most of your guys' clicks are coming off of your your High Point Dental, your company name, your practice's name, and then you specifically, Dr. Hanson, people are looking up you. And obviously you're gonna rank for those things, you know what I mean? That's specific to your website. It's on your website. It's probably your name's not probably on other people's website. So you are getting clicks off of that. You're not even getting all the clicks off of those things. But you know what I mean? That's where your guys' clicks are coming from. And if we go over here, these guys are, this is Smile COS. They're getting Dentist Colorado Springs, Best Dentist in Colorado Springs Dentist, Cosmetic Dentistry, Colorado Springs, Dental Implants, Teeth Whitening, Best Dentist, Dental Offices. They're taking up all the keywords, and this is why they're getting all these people that are going over to Google and typing in Colorado Springs Dentist, Colorado Springs Invisalign, Colorado Springs this, that. These guys are going to be the top people that are really showing up and getting a lot of those clicks, okay? And it's, you guys are in a pretty competitive market. Colorado Springs being the second biggest city in Colorado is definitely generating a lot of searches. If we go over here and we look up some keywords, dentist near me, dentist, orthodontist, dental insurance, oral surgery near me, extraction, crown, kids dentist, all these things, there's thousands and thousands and thousands of people monthly looking for a dentist in Colorado Springs. And you guys are not showing up for really any of these search terms besides your own, brand name, High Point Dental and Dr. Hanson. So, that's something that you guys probably want to work on, I'm guessing. I'm guessing you guys could use more patience. You did click on the playbook, so I know you're at least interested in internet marketing. Okay, so one way you can get your SEO rank up, this is Smile COS. Their citation and trust flows up. These guys have a lot of backlinks. They have 264 different websites linking to them. So they have a lot of trust on the internet. That's why they're up higher in the rankings than you guys. You guys have 12 backlinks right now, which is, not the best. Your trust flow is 0, citation flow is 10. This makes it really, really hard for you guys to rank on Google. And I'm sure that's not what you guys are trying to do, but obviously you don't know how to go about it, okay? And maybe you haven't ever hired anyone to do internet marketing for you before, but these are very important things if you want to attract patients from the internet. I'm sure you do great work. I'm sure your customers love you, but you got to remember there's tons of people moving out to Colorado. There's tons of new people in the area, and they're looking for a dentist. There's thousands of these people looking for you guys every single month. Okay, so a couple last tips I'm going to give you right here is make one of these menu options up here so that you can go add all the different type of procedures. Because if you have Invisalign, you have TMG, dentures, clean teeth whitening, whatever it is, whatever procedures that you guys do and specify in, I would make a page for each of those, because now when someone types it in, you're more likely, because you have a relevant page right there to rank in the SEO. Right now, you guys don't have any of those. Even if I came to your website looking for you, I don't even really know what type of procedures you guys do. So you're making it really, really hard on people from the internet to even figure out what's going on with you, even if they dig deep and find you. So I would definitely add those pages. Another thing what I would do is add a 500 to 1,000 page homepage with all the key terms that are the most important to you, the procedures that are going to bring you the most money, the ones you like doing the most. Those are the words that you want to add on here to start attracting more customers from online. Okay, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. I just wanted to make this easy on you. These guys aren't even doing crazy great. This isn't even that good of a looking online page anyways, a landing page. But you can see these guys are getting 1,700 clicks. They're investing in themselves. These guys are probably paying, somewhere between $10,000 and $15,000 a month for all these clicks. But think about it. If out of these 1,700, one out of every 100 comes in, that's 17 new patients. You know what I mean? If 10% of the people end up coming into the office, that's 170 patients monthly. Divide that by 30, that's like six new patients a day or something. Okay, so that's ridiculous numbers. You guys could get that if you wanted to, but I would definitely work on those things I told you. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you guys out in getting up these ranks some, and start bringing you some more business from online. So thank you, Dr. Hanson. Thank you, High Point Dental. I hope you guys got some value from this video. And yeah, I hope you guys start making your way up those search rankings. Have a good one.